Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off mirrored selfie in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First of all, know the purpose of mirror selfie. Mirror selfie is turned on means you will see like a mirror. Okay, you can see like a suppose if you are standing in front of mirror, and what will you see? Just you can see left hand in the right side, right hand in the left side. So when you are eating with right hand, it looks like left hand eating. So if you are shooting with front camera and if you are eating, then if you have already turned already by default it is turned on, that mirrored selfie. Then if you upload that video in YouTube or Facebook or wherever, then you will be like eating with left hand. Okay, so here purpose is you have to turn off this mirrored selfie. Then only if you shoot eating by right hand, it will show like right hand eating. Okay, so for that first you have to turn off mirrored selfie. Okay, many of us don't know this feature, and it's just they are eating with right hand and uploading it in the YouTube, but it will be like ugly. Okay, so follow it and forward to those people who are shooting without knowing this trick. Okay, first go to the camera and go to the camera settings here, and it is already turned on by default, it is turned on. Okay, you don't know, so you have to turn off it. You have to turn off this mirrored selfie. Now mirrored selfie is not used. Okay, like back camera selfie is also used. Now I go to front camera, and now I am showing my right hand. Okay, but in the frame it's showing left hand, but in the result file it will be in right hand, because you have turned off that mirrored selfie. Okay, see here, I am showing my right hand, and in the frame, photo frame, it's showing left hand, but after clicking capture and after opening the picture, and see here, I showed my right hand. Okay, it's showing like what I showed. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off mirrored selfie. Suppose if you turn on that mirror selfie, what would be like? Okay, see it first. Go to the camera again and go to camera settings, and I turn on mirrored selfie. Now take a selfie. I am showing right hand. Okay, I am eating with my right hand now, and see in the file it's showing in the left hand eating. Okay, it's showing like left hand eating. Okay, so in this way, if you are uploading this picture somewhere else in social media, it'll be like ugly. Okay, so avoid it and use this feature to turn off mirrored selfie. Okay, go to the camera settings, turn off it, and now you can use. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.